Elon Musk is saying it'll replace all human jobs. So what are we going to be, right? Is this going to be the Matrix? They're just going to stick us in the pods, and we're going to be batteries. I'm not really looking forward to that future, right, Elon? Come on now, give me a break here. Elon Musk, our glorious leader. All hail, Chief Elon. Elon Musk expects AI to replace all human jobs, leading to universal high. Okay, listen. I've been going down the AI conspiracy rabbit hole for a while here, and I love listening to Joe Rogan, and he had some AI safety people on the other day, and they were talking about how, like, legitimately AI at some point could be taking people's jobs, and we're seeing that out in the marketplace, right? People, especially like in California, it's a perfect example. Whenever they raised the minimum wage to $20 an hour at the fast food restaurants, the first thing that they did was lay people off and say, "How can we automate this using AI?" And of course, that's the future. That's what we're going to see happening. And I don't know. I'm pretty nervous about this, right? Elon Musk is saying it'll replace all human jobs. So what are we going to be, right? Is this just going to be the Matrix? They're just going to stick us in the pods, and we're going to be batteries. I'm not really looking forward to that future, right, Elon? Come on now, give me a break here. Well, welcome back to Outlier Live. My name is Christopher Yule, and even though Elon is trying to replace us and make us into human batteries, we're still going to profit hack Tesla stock in just a minute. The tech mogul and AI ex AI founder laid out his vision for the future and how it will look in a benign scenario as AI continues to develop rapidly. Hey, be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these profit hack stocks that we're going to go through every day. Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk reiterated his stance that artificial intelligence will eventually eliminate the need for humans to work, giving his vision for how the future will look as technology continues to rapidly advance. I got a problem with this statement. If AI eventually eliminates the need for humans to work, what is the point of humans, right? Because we develop AI to assist with the human activities. But if the AI replaces the human activities, then what's the point of having humans at all, right? Conceptualize this with me here. What is the objective if AI is doing the work? Is it just laziness? Is it replacing human life forms? I'm not comprehending. My tiny little brain compared to Elon's doesn't comprehend how AI replacing human life replaces the whole point of humans, right? It's kind of like the art debate, art and music debate. Because while I mean, this is actually a great example. While AI can make art, right? We use Midjourney all the time. In fact, the thumbnail you clicked on was created partially with Midjourney's AI. If all art is created by AI, who is the art for? Other computers, or is it for humans? So where I'm going at with, if all jobs are replaced with AI, what is it for? Is it for other computers to do other computer things, or does it still benefit humanity in some way? My little tiny not Elon brain is not comprehending this. During the remote appearance at the technology conference in Paris, Musk was asked whether he was concerned about losing his job to AI, and what would he do if that were to happen. He holds several roles as CEO of Tesla, founder of XAI, SpaceLink, or SpaceX, Neuralink, as well as the owner of X. In a benign scenario, probably none of us will have a job. There will be universal high. I don't know about that. Universal high income. Give me a break. I got to tell you, I think if that's the case, they just stick us in the matrix, battery pods, and that's it. Universal high income, not universal basic income, universal high income. There will be no shortage of goods or services. So, like communism, I'm not sure about this. The tech mogul said that, in his opinion, there's an 80% chance AI will advance in such a situation where humans will not need a job and will have all they need. So this is where my brain breaks, right? If we have everything we need, what's the point of being human? Because then it's somewhat like being a hamster, right? We have a hamster here. If my food and water and shelter are provided, you could stick me in a cage and then I'm just content with life until I die, right? It's just like waiting in the cage until you die. And I gotta say, I for one am not on board with that. I'm not up to that. No, thank you. Um, yes, having our needs met for everybody sounds great on the surface. However, by what means? By what means? Are we eradicating everything and just sticking everybody in pods? Hey, all of your needs are met. You are sheltered, you are fed, you are taken care of in your battery pod in the Matrix. What is there to complain about? I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Let's go take a look at Tesla stock, right? Elon being CEO of Tesla. I own a Tesla Model Y. It is the coolest car ever. It had a high of around 250 or so back last year, and it's been really on a sell-off over the last several months, right? But it seems like the sell-off is not quite over yet. We still got a sell signal down here around 171. So from 250 or so down to 171 right now. And this stock is just it's not what it used to be, right? I remember not all that long ago, I feel like it was a couple years ago, there was the meme where it's like, buy Tesla, stock go up, right? And those days are long gone, right? But let's do profit hack this. Profit hacking is 3 easy steps. Find a stock, check the performance summary, follow the outlier buy and sell signals here. So we found a stock with Tesla. Let's look at the performance summary here. Whoa! Outlier shows a 1039% return on Tesla here. We're buy and hold, not too shabby, still at 244%, but 1,039 is pretty outstanding. So we found a stock, we checked the performance summary. Now all you got to do is follow the outlier buy and sell signals, and that is how you do profit hacking. Pretty dang easy, right? You know what else is easy? Heading on over to freeaitrades.com, and right there, I will send you in your email every single day a profit hacked stock straight to you every single day, 100% for free. That's over at freeaitrades.com. Now let's go see what the internet has to say about this. Elon Musk expects AI to replace all human jobs, leading to universal high income. Boy, I bet the internet has a lot to say about this. How are you going to pay the universal income if you don't have workers paying taxes? Okay, fair point here. Kind of what I was thinking. What is the point if we're all just like sitting in the battery cells? What is the point? Are the computers going to make money, which then feeds the people? Like computers paying computers? This is what I don't get. I don't conceptualize this. How does that work? Elon, have more babies. Also, Elon, you don't have a job and there won't be really any use for you. Here's $10 for rations. Whew. Where universal income sounds like a good idea, there are 2 errors in this logic. AI is not creative and will not be able to be original. When you take the purpose out of life, you're no longer living. You're just there watching TV and not adding to civilization. Okay, that's kind of where my head was at, right? If you remove the point of life, the aspiration of life, what is there left to do? Just wait to die? I don't know about that. To me, that's not exactly the kind of life that I want to live. Now, be sure to click one of these 2 videos up above. The YouTube algorithm gods think you will love to watch more. Thank you so much for tuning in today's Outlier Live, and I will see you right here on the next episode.